Hello and welcome. This is Master K, once again connecting to your soul and feeding it. Welcome, my friends, to my very first video of 2020. Now, because of all the stress and anxiety that is out there at the moment, I've decided to do something a bit different, and I've decided to put a simple, quick meditation together for you so that you can chill, so that you can relax and bring your anxiety back down. So first of all, my friends, can I just say, do not do this meditation if you are going to drive afterwards, because it could make you so relaxed and sleepy. Also, do not do this meditation while working any type of machinery, in any way, shape or form. Now, also make sure you are super safe. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, you can do this meditation standing or sitting or maybe lying down, okay? If you do it lying down, there is a big chance that you will fall asleep. So that's okay, that's cool. If that's what you want to do, if that brings you down, if that helps you relax, then so be it. If you are standing, I want you to clear a big circle all around you, so that you are safe, okay? If you are sitting, I want you to do the same. Make a big circle all around you, push any objects away, so you've got this big circle of emptiness. You can also sit in the chair, by the way, okay? So it's super important to stay safe through this meditation. So here we go. Make sure you are safe, make sure you are either standing or sitting right now, and make sure you turn your gadgets off, like your phone, TV, things like that, and so you won't be disturbed, okay? And this meditation is designed to bring down your anxiety and to calm your mind, and it's designed for men and women. Okay, so here we go. I want you to breathe with me right now, just 3 times, and you are breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now I want your mouth slightly open, and I want you to exaggerate your breathing in and your breathing out. So let's breathe together. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Last time, breathe in. And out. Good. So we are going to do this again. We are going to breathe 3 more times, Keep your mouth slightly open. Exaggerate the breath, breathing in and breathing out, except this time when we breathe out, we are going to totally relax our shoulders and imagine all of our stress as we breathe out is falling off our shoulders onto the floor. Okay, so here we go. Breathe in. And out. Imagine that stress falling off now, off your shoulders, onto the floor. Breathe in again. And out. Listen to the breath. Drop those shoulders. Last time. Breathe in. Relax, breathe out. Good. We are now going to do this breathing exercise another 3 times. And we all know that anxiety lives in the head. It resides and dwells in the mind. Yeah? And anxiety is a fear of something going wrong in the future. So as we breathe out this time, we are sucking down that anxiety from the mind, from the brain, into the mouth, and we are blowing that anxiety out as far as we can as we breathe out. Okay, so that is your mindset as we breathe in. Let's have a practice one, okay? So breathe in with me, practice one now. Breathe in, and as we breathe out, bring that anxiety down through the mouth and blow it away. Now be aggressive with this blowing away of this anxiety. We want to get rid of it. We don't need it. It's not serving us. We do not want it in our head. We must shift it now away and out of our body. So here we go, 3 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Drag it down through the mouth. Blow it away. Again, breathe in. Bring it down and out through the mouth. Blow. Last time. Breathe in. And blow. Good. So just finishing up now. Let's breathe once more together. Breathe in. Relax, breathe out. Breathe in. Relax, breathe out. Last time, breathe in. Breathe out. You now feel calm, relaxed, refreshed, and as you go on your life's journey from here, remember that any time in the future you get an anxiety attack or a panic attack, or you feel stressed, you can just come back to this meditation and join me right here. Thank you so much for being here right now. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I'm sending blessings out to you. Okay, stay safe, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Metta, my friends. Metta. See you soon.